We have fresh juice, espresso, and of course our signature herbal tea. This ramen is absolutely divine, the best I've ever had. The broth is so rich and flavorful. Going to be a great opening day. I am sure of it. Let me adjust these lights. Now it is perfect.
Welcome to our cozy cafe. We have freshly brewed coffee and homemade pastries this morning. I'm so glad you all are enjoying the food. Your smiles make my day so much better. Thanks for coming to my cozy cafe.
It looks like the batter is ready. Here is your coffee. I hope it's just right for you.
Thank you so much. That smells great.
Welcome to our cozy catered for you tonight. We have a wonderful selection of Here is your drink. I hope you enjoy it.